सो गाइस एक और चीज क्लियर करता है रिगार्डिंग एलिजिबिलिटी. सो इफ यू हैव डन योर बीटेक और बी इन मैकाट्रॉनिक्स कैन यू जॉइन मर्चेंट नेवी विद द जीएमई कोर्स. तो आइए थोड़ा एलिजिबिलिटी में बात करते हैं कि मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग ही चाहिए और भी कुछ चल सकता है. लेट्स सी. So guys, many students completed BE BTech in mechatronics. GME requires a mechanical engineering background. Mechatronics is not explicitly mentioned in DG shipping circular. Those who do not know, DG shipping is Director General Shipping. ये rules बनाता है कि भैया क्या होना है क्या नहीं हो रहा. तो GME comes under DG shipping. This creates confusion during admissions. तो mechatronics means mechanical plus electronics. लेकिन उसमें clearly mechanical mention नहीं है. It is not mentioned clearly. So mechanical engineering is the core discipline. Electronics automation acts as supporting or elective subject. Curriculum includes mechanics, thermodynamics, strength of materials, control and electronics. So guys, now what happens is mechatronics has got mechanical plus electronics. But the moment you put mechatronics, DG shipping case says who are you? So we'll share something with you. So issued on 1st April 2020, eligibility of GME program accept BE BTech in mechanical engineering. All mechanical engineering streams. Mechatronics is not explicitly named. क्या named है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. So DG shipping circular does not reject mechatronics. The term mechatronics is not separately defined. Interpretation depends on core engineering discipline, university certification, DG shipping approval. Copied आगे. So mecha means mechanical, tronics means electronics or automation elective, similar to mechanical and automation, mechanical and electronics, hence treated as mechanical engineering stream. So it is treated, but the challenge is कि अगर आपकी डिग्री में लिखा मैकेनिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वो बोलेंगे डन. But if it is in mechatronics, then there is a challenge. I want to show you something. So as per interpretation of training circular 12 of 2020, mechanical engineering, mechanical and automation, mechanical electronics, mechatronics engineering, subject to equivalence confirmation done है. मतलब अगर mechatronics engineering है, fine. But you have to give this equivalence confirmation. What is equivalence certificate? कि भैया candidate must submit an equivalence certificate issued by the concerned university. Certificate must state that BE BTech mechatronics is equivalent to BE mechanical engineering और BE mechanical and electronics engineering. भैया एक equivalent certificate चाहिए कि BE mechatronics है क्या. आप वो certificate ला दीजिए. There will not be a problem. You will be selected. What is an equivalent certificate? It's an official university document. Confirms mechanical engineering as core subject. Degree alignment with mechanical engineering streams required for GME admission and DG shipping approval. Copied guys. When is it certificate required? During GME college application, admission verification, DG shipping document scrutiny. Without equivalence, admission may be rejected for mechatronics. आप समझ गए मेरी बात? Lastly, final answer, yes, you can do GME after BE BTech in mechatronics provided that mechanical engineering is the core discipline. University equivalence certificate is submitted. Admission is from a DG shipping approved institute. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. और कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप इज हियर. इट विल गाइड यू, इट विल लीड यू टू द राइट कॉलेजेस, राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन, लेटेस्ट कॉलेजेस, लेटेस्ट फॉर्म्स कमिंग अप, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल आउट हियर. मैं बस आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ वेदर इट इज अबाउट फ्री गाइडेंस सीरीज, एलिजिबिलिटी कैलकुलेटर, लेटेस्ट फॉर्म्स, वेदर मेडिकल फिटनेस, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन दिस ऐप. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू इट योरसेल्फ, गो अहेड डू इट, बट मेक श्योर दैट इफ यू वांट टू गेट सिलेक्टेड, अगर एम इज this company and you are eligible for a top notch company, then you get there. This is what I require. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक बार फेल हुए तो नहीं यार एक सब स्टैंडर्ड कंपनी में चला जाता है. It should not happen that way. And that is where SMVD Marine Academy offline coaching comes into play. In the last 1 year, 150 plus selections हुए हैं. Each and every single student has got selected. Some in 1 month, some in 2 months, some in 2.5 months. Awesome selection it. You can check the YouTube channel yourself, or you can even contact this number for any queries. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.